And we want to just take like 2 minutes at the top to first thank you all for contributing work and coming to support this project. For the last year and a half, the Institute for Digital Humanity, which is a student-run digital advocacy group from North Central University, they spent the last year trying to figure out, in this nasty time of cultural divide, how do we kind of reach across the aisle and sort of talk to people about digital ethics issues that are affecting us. They actually are working with the Anti-Defamation League on a national high school curriculum on algorithmic discrimination. They bother legislatures to try to make things happen. They sort of reach out to underserved communities to provide some digital literacy education. They do really good work, and Shay Sullivan is one of our leaders on that group. The Institute for Aesthetic Advocacy is kind of your typical weird, woke Minneapolis arts collective, and we get grants to put on exhibits to basically teach digital ethics to communities. We recently had some shows in Russia and Korea and have been doing some publication. And for the last year and a half, these two groups have been working together to create art exhibits where people talk to each other across the cultural divide. And so the only thing that was important to us about this show, which we ended up getting over 100 submissions from 12 different countries, from all walks of life, from all walks of faith, from all walks of ability, race, class, gender, whatever, is can we just in some small way start putting people's different work together and not isolating it by identity, but instead using sort of differences as a way to think about what still are our commonalities in this pandemic moment. And so we're really proud of this work and we're really proud of this exhibit. Honestly, the turnout for this has been really heartening, both of the students who put it on and just as people who are also living through COVID and not talking to each other and worrying about the fact that people don't even seem to share the same reality anymore. And I think art is the venue where we can actually start rebraiding these kind of frayed edges of both kind of our civic discourse and our shared understanding of the world. Because we're in a world these days where we don't disagree about ethics, we don't necessarily always disagree about religion, we're also disagreeing about facts and what's happening, both emotional, scientific, and historical. And I think the gallery spaces are the places that we need to start using to bring people together to have these conversations. And so we're going to keep this salon room open until 8. The galleries are open until 8. The live music's going to start again at 7:30. Feel free to talk to us or keep this conversation going. Feel free to reach out to our docents for an interview if you're one of the artists or if you're a patron. And we really, really appreciate you all's support for this project.